Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the main theory involved in the potentiometry is when the non-potential electrode immersed in the sample solution, then the potential is given by the Nernst equation, that is E is equal to E naught plus 0.592 by N log C, where E is the potential of the solution and E naught is the standard electrode potential, N is the valency of the ions, C is the concentration of the sample solution, 0.592 is the volume obtained from RT upon F, where R is the gas constant and T is the temperature in Kelvin, F is the Faraday constant. Electrodes. There are mainly two electrodes, that is the reference electrode and indicator electrode, and they are mainly used to measure the voltage. First one is the reference electrode. These are mainly used for determine the analyte by maintaining the fixed potential. Examples are the standard hydrogen electrode, silver chloride electrode, and the saturated column electrode. The reference electrodes are classified into two main classes. First is the primary standard electrode, second is the secondary standard electrode. Primary standard electrodes examples is the standard hydrogen electrode, and secondary electrode is the silver chloride electrode and saturated column electrode. In today's class, I discuss about the following types of electrode and theory of the potentiometry. Thank you.